In this video, we are going to look at the issue of service pay. And service pay is one of the contentious issues when it comes to termination of employment. So here, the key thing to note about service pay is only applicable when an employer terminates the services of an employee. It's not when an employee resigns. So service pay is governed by the Section 35 of the Employment Act 2007. So that is the reference point for this video. And what the law states is that an employee whose services are terminated, they'll be paid service pay, whose terms will be defined by the contract. However, where there's a lot of contention on the service pay is who is eligible for service pay, and I would want to make it clear. If you are a member of a registered pension fund, or your employer contributes for NSSF, then you are not eligible for service pay. I think that's the main issue you find bringing a lot of friction between the employers and the employees. So if your employer contributes NSSF, or they have a registered private pension fund they contribute to, then you're not entitled to service pay. What about the amount that you're supposed to be paid for service pay? If it was not stipulated, assume you're not a member of NSSF, or your employer does not contribute to part of your salary to a registered pension fund, then the minimum is for each year full of service, you're entitled to a minimum of 15 days. However, if it was already stipulated in your contract, say 1 month or 2 months, then that is what will be applicable. So service pay is payable upon termination, and I've shared with you the circumstances and even the amount that you are eligible for payment. So for these, if you'd want more details on the service pay, you can visit our website. We have a section that deals with the labor laws in Kenya. You can also subscribe to this video where we post more advice on the labor laws.